Which specific Exclaimer product feature do you find most valuable?
I think it's the customization options that I find really appealing. Going in hand with that, it's not necessarily just a feature, but the way that Exclaimer are really focused on their customers, and they are easy to get hold of, and they're just really willing to help. So it's not just the features themselves, but the way the features are supported.
Email signature customization within the system is really great, because that's something that's really important. I would say like the QR codes, technology is moving at a rapid pace, and QR codes I would definitely say is a demand out there.
The most valuable we find is how easy it is to integrate with your Microsoft Office 365. The integration with that with your emails is quite straightforward, all done with a click of a button. It's a great software, very easy to integrate. We've got a lot of good templates on there. Good how you can rotate sort of your banners, and you can integrate sort of your QR codes with newsletters or social media and things like that.